Hi everyone, my name is Kimya and I've accumulated a lot of clothes. For the most part, my channel is about clothes, trying clothes, thrifting clothes, showing you guys clothes. So when I walk in every single week with a new Value Village bag, it's expected to add up. And how can I be surprised? It definitely doesn't help that my closet is literally this small. Exhibit A. We need to get rid of some stuff because I can't even see what I own anymore. And I have some criteria on that. So there's gonna be three sections. There's gonna be the keep pile, the donate, sell, or give away pile. I might be giving away some of my unused clothes to one of you subscribers. I'll be doing that giveaway on my Instagram if some nice pieces pop up. I don't really want to give you guys worn out shit, but if I have some good pieces that I'm ready to let go, I'm down to give it away to one of you guys. So definitely check out my Instagram, follow me there. And the third pile is storage. Some pieces I just really do still want to keep, but there's just not enough room in this tiny closet. There's no choice but to put it in storage, and that goes for summer clothes as well. So this is what we're currently working with. These are all my pants, all my thrifted t-shirts. This is supposed to be my accessories. These are just sweaters and stuff. This is my missing NTS toque, underwear, bras, all my extra random purses. I almost forgot to show you guys my whole other closet that I always forget about. If we just walk out this door, this is a whole other closet. I'm trying to decide whether or not I should take everything out of my closet, but I feel like it might be a bad idea because I already have so much shit on the floor. Just kidding, I think everything needs to come out. Beautiful pile. I'm really dreading going through it, but I'll do it. This is a classic hoodie. It's my boyfriend, so I'm not really allowed to give it away. Honestly, this is a cute one. I have a couple vests, so I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile. This is an oldie but a goodie. Obviously, I'm keeping this little sweatsuit number. This is my boyfriend's brand, NTS, a little plug. They're very cute, right? And look at the back. The iconic overalls, obviously we have to keep these. Polo Ralph Lauren, denim vest, little pink cardi. I just realized I have two pink cardigans. Which one will stay? Hey, this is literally like a souvenir. How could I give it away? I think it's time for this one to go. And boyfriend's brand we're keeping. The sweater can go. It's very cute still. The iconic thrifted sweaters. I think I have to keep this one for sure. I do still love this one. I just got it, so keeping this one. Keep. Okay, I'm keeping this. Gray cardigan. I think this is cool. I think it's time to get rid of this colorful sweater from Value Village. One of my first thrifted pieces, definitely keeping this. Keep for rainy day. Very cute corset. Let's try it. I don't even know. This shirt, I love it, but it's just so itchy and uncomfortable. It's so dear to my heart, but I have to give it away. Bodysuit. I do love this one. This is a super cute slip dress. However, I feel like it's not really me. I'm gonna give this one away. It's so beautiful though. Black slip dress. I think my white overalls have to go. I never wear them. 100% keep. This one's a really good one too. I think I have to keep it. This is a trend moment. I honestly never even considered taking it out of my closet. This is why you don't buy things because of trends. I think I'm over this shirt. My skirts, I'm obsessed with this skirt. I don't think I'll ever give it away. I don't need this skirt. This one is very cute. I feel like it might be a good staple piece to have for layering. You would maybe miss this if you didn't have the option to have it. I'm very bad. I'm very bad at this. I'm very bad at giving away my clothes. I admit it. Next is this beauty. I do truly like her. I just think cowl necklines don't look great on my body type, so I will be giving this beautiful masterpiece away. It's time to go through the stuff on the floor. Keep 110%. I just got this and it's inside out, but you get the gist. Has a little bow on the shoulder. I thought it was really cute. This guess off the shoulder top, I love it so much, but my boobs are kind of big and they just don't sit well in this unless I wear a strapless bra, and I hate wearing strapless bras. So if someone has small titties, you need to buy this from me because it will look so good. It just doesn't look good on me. This blue vest, I love it. Never have worn it yet. I think I'm gonna try it on. I don't know why I never reached for this, but I feel like it's cute and I feel like I neglect it. I should at least get one wear out of it and then I'll probably sell it. Watch out for my Depop or my Instagram because it will probably go relatively soon. Kinda not obsessed either. BCBG velour sweater, keeping 100%. Brown cardigan, keeping. Tommy Hilfiger brown sweater, keeping. Low key, I have a vision for this one, so we're keeping it. This one's really hard. Looking at the viewfinder right now, I want to keep it, but I will be giving it away. I don't know if this is too intense. I feel like it's good to just have something like this in your closet. A night out, I like forget about this. So keep. I do really, really love this one. This gives me very New York or Paris, but I think it's time for me to part ways with it. I've taken a couple pictures in it too. I never wear this because I feel like I look too like kinky or something. I feel like I should take at least one picture in this before I sell it, but after that I definitely will, because this is just like, this is a little too much for me. You know what's happening right now? I'm layering it with this white long sleeve and I'm starting to like these shirts now. I think this is cute now. I just had forgotten about it, so it's keep. It's a keep, sorry guys. I really wish you guys could live poll on this video and tell me to keep or sell, because I cannot make these decisions. Can you come open the door of my room for a sec? Keep or sell? Kiana said keep, and I say keep too. As you guys can tell, it's really hard for me to give away my stuff. So I'm making the very hard decision to give away, donate, or sell this IMG set with the pants included. Goodbye, sweet angel. Regardless of how long I've had this, I think I will always love it. Keep. I love that I'm getting freed up hangers because I'm literally always lacking hangers. This shirt is a very interesting moment where I saw Bella Hadid wear a cropped kind of shirt like this, I guess, and then I decided to DIY it. She wore it all the way buttoned up to the collar. She buttoned it down to under her chest. What I did is I cut the back. So this is kind of the idea that I had with the shirt. I think now that I'm doing more social media stuff, I have to wear this in a shoot. Like, I don't know, what do you guys think of this idea? I honestly really love this sweater and I can see myself wearing it. Don't find myself reaching for it a lot, so this is a hard one, but I'm gonna give it away. Probably never realistically wear this, so I think I'm gonna give this one away. But just warning you guys, my sister might try to steal this one from me. Okay, so we're gonna go through my purses now, and a lot of these really have to go because I don't even use them. I use like 3 purses. So this one I just recently got. It's the Gucci one that I thrifted for like, what was it, like $5, and I'm definitely keeping this. This backpack I just thrifted as well the same day as that, and I also am keeping it. This is so cute and I really do love it, but I've never used it. A beautiful purse, but this is going to the sell pile. The first bags I ever thrifted. I don't even know. My fake Celine purse? Like, why am I keeping this stuff? I remember when like fanny pack bags were popular. My fake YSL, keeping. Black purse, keeping it. This crochet bag. Yellow hobo bag. I collect pants at the thrift store and I need to stop it right now, but it's just like the best thing to find there. But I'm gonna try on a bunch for you guys and then we'll decide what to keep and what to donate. Got these Tommy jeans like 2 days ago from the thrift store, so I have to keep them. I feel like these just like fit really well. I thrifted these in one of my first videos. I do love them, but they're just a little too big. I think they're cute, but they're just not the right fit, so I'll probably never wear them. I can't decide about these because I do love earthstones right now. Guilty because I'm gonna keep them again. It's time for them to retire. These Aritzia pants have also been in my life since high school. I haven't worn them for a couple years, so I think it's time for them to go. We've gone through the closet, we've gone through the pants, and now it's time to do skirts and accessories. I'm gonna set it up on the bed here and we're gonna sort. Let's go. I literally just bought this, so I'm 100% keeping it. Bought these little cute socks, keeping variety of toques, fuzzy bucket hat, my many caps, cute and fuzzy toques. I don't know what these are called, but you guys know these. My beret. These are all my skirts. I have a lot of skirts, so probably gonna be selling some. Probably not gonna sell this. This one fits perfect, so keep. I'm gonna sell this. got a couple shoes. These are out because I will probably never wear them in my life. They are cute cowboy-esque shoes. Oh, found the earring in my shoe. Then I got these cute loafers. I got them from Valley Village a long time ago. They're brand new, never worn before. They have this cow print in it. Very cute, but I will be selling these on my Depop. What I hate about doing closet cleanouts like this is that you can keep cleaning and cleaning and cleaning for hours, and still you feel like you haven't made a dent because there's still like hangers and random shit all over the floor. And even though I just redid my whole closet, the mess on the floor is still here. That's why it takes so much energy to do closet cleanouts, but I'm very, very happy I did. I just found these on my floor and they're the perfect low-waisted jeans. I just bought these ones, the Tommy ones, and I think it fits my body shape a bit better. So I'm gonna sell this, but please, please someone buy this because they are amazing and I love them so much. We're down to the final countdown. This is one of the last drawers we have to do. It's so hard for me to give away clothes because of the fact I feel like I never have developed my style enough. Like, I have no idea what I'm really doing. So I feel like because of that, I need a million things to choose from. Otherwise, I get stuck. The people who are the best at fashion usually can have a capsule wardrobe and make a million outfits out of it and feel themselves, and they know their vibe. I'm not there yet, but that's okay. That could be a goal for the new year. I feel like when you're that confident in your style, you don't need a million things. Till then, we kind of have a lot of stuff. Kind of over this brand new one. I got it in Europe when I went. I literally just got this one, so I gotta keep it. I think this can go. It's just cozy. I think it can go. I actually love the texture of the shirt. I have never worn it. It's from Aritzia, brand new. It just doesn't fit my boobs, and I didn't realize if it doesn't fit my boobs, I guess it gotta go. This is my favorite white t-shirt, but I feel like white t-shirts just get dirty so fast, so it has makeup on it, so I'm gonna try to replace it, and once I replace it, I will give this away, but for now, I'll keep it. Who remembers these shirts from Aritzia? I think we can give it away. Okay, we're getting close and I'm so happy. This jacket, I think I'm gonna give away even though it's so cute. Wait, let me take a second look before I say that. Should I give this away or should I keep it? I'm not sure yet. It's kind of cute, but it's very girly. Am I still trying to be girly? See, this is the problem. I don't know my style. I don't know my style, so I don't know if I should keep it. This jacket, I think, is going. I keep saying that. And then I try it on and I'm like, okay, maybe I'll keep it. Guys, keep or sell. I've had it for 2 years already. I haven't worn it once. I guess it's a give. Last jacket. For now. You know how I feel about this one? I feel like it's a good one to have in your closet for whenever I decide to move to New York City and need a jean jacket and need to feel this vibe. Or whenever denim on denim comes back. I'm voting keep. Video up here. These are all the clothes I'm giving away, so definitely follow my Instagram so you can be updated on what I'm gonna do with all of these. This was honestly a great journey and I'm really happy I ended up cleaning my closet because now I have so much room for more. I can feel relaxed knowing that all the stuff that I'm not obsessed with are out of my closet and only my favorites are in there. I'm giving away a lot. Just to let you guys know, the things I do end up donating, I will only be donating to a women's shelter, not Valley Village, because Valley Village is a for-profit organization, so I rather just give it to someone who really needs it, and the rest will be either given away to you guys or sold on my Instagram or Depop. So don't forget to check me out and follow me on both of those accounts. Love you guys. See you guys next week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.